Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and today I'm going to talk about the truth about upgrading your Panasonic Toughbook FZ-55. Now, as you know, I really like this laptop. It's very cool. It's a great upgrade from the CF54. But now let's talk a little bit about the different marks on the FZ-55. So there are four marks: Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3, Mark 4, obviously. Mark 1 being the first and most abundant in the used market. That came with an 8th gen processor, i5 processor. You can also get the i7 as well. Now, it only supported up to 32 gigs of RAM, and it only supported a 1 terabit SSD drive. You move to the Mark 2, and now you've got 64 gig memory support and a 2 terabit hard drive upgradable support as well. Plus, you got the better Intel Iris Xe graphics video card versus the older UHD graphics 620. So, if you have a Mark 1, do you upgrade to the Mark 2? Now, that's a personal preference. I would say it's really not worth it. The Mark III, for example, comes out with the 12th gen processor, and the Mark III supports, again, 64 gigs and still only 2 terabit hard drive, but they drop back down to the UHD graphics video card from the previous Mark. Now, do you go from the Mark I to the Mark II? Well, you get a little more processor performance in it, but is it worth the cost of doing that? The 8th gen i5 is still a fairly decent processor if you're just doing standard work. Now, the Mark IV is where you see some of the greatest upgrade when it went. Now it supports a 3 terabit SSD, still 64 gigs of RAM, and it still has that Intel UHD graphics card. But now here's the question of the day: do you go, if you own a Mark I? Is it worth spending the $3,000 to upgrade to the MK4? Personally, me, no. But again, this is a personal preference for each individual person that's buying. All I can do is point out the differences in the different marks. You guys have to make the decision whether you want to spend the money. Well, that's all I got for you this week. Don't forget to leave me comments to let me know what you think of the FZ-55, and I'll see you guys next week.